Hey there, hope you're doing good. Today we'll talk about this insightful blog post which categorizes work as game changers, showstoppers, or distractions. So, when you're building a product, every task you do, whether a user visible feature, a UX improvement, a bug fix, performance improvement, reliability, anything at all, it can be categorized as one of these three: game changer, showstopper, or distraction. Let's discuss each of them in turn. A game changer is a unique feature like a light trail video. For example, in FutureCam, which is a camera app, this is a camera app I built. You have a light trail video. Many apps have light. So, first of all, let me tell you what FutureCam is. It's a camera app, it's a photography app. It captures photos. It's not an editing app like Photoshop where you already have a photo and you want to edit it. No. It's a camera app. It captures. So here you have a liquid shutter where you can change the shutter speed of a photo after you capture it. This is a unique feature. And then you have a light trail video. Many apps have light trail photos, but no one has a light trail video. These are game changers. These are the unique features, the things that make people go wow and come to your product. On the other hand, a showstopper is something that's required but doesn't add value. For example, you need to ask for permission, for camera permission when you open a camera app. Like FutureCam, right? Can this app access the camera? This is a showstopper because if you don't do it, your show stops. Your entire app becomes unusable. You won't get credit for these. They take up time. They can take up a lot of time, but users will not give you credit. No one will use your app because you have a camera permission prompt or a login. These add a lot of overhead, a lot of tasks that don't get rewarded. The third category is a distraction, which is something users don't care about. If you build it, it's fine. If you don't, it's fine. So let me show you an example. If you look at the iPhone camera app, when you take a photo, say of my laptop, the thumbnail appears here in the bottom left. Do you see it? And if you tap it, you get a full screen view. FutureCam being a camera app, one of my friends told me it has to have this thing. It has to have a thumbnail showing the last photo taken. This took 2 months, 2 person months to implement. And finally, it turned out to be a distraction. Users didn't care. In fact, one of the top products in this category, an app called Slow Shutter Cam, which is very highly reviewed, doesn't have this feature. And other than the friend who asked for it, like maybe 1 or 2 people asked, but no one really made a big deal about this feature. No one said, I'm not going to use this app because it doesn't have this feature. So I had misinterpreted what people were telling me. Like one guy insisted, but others didn't insist on it. So the point is, you never know ahead of time whether something is a showstopper or a distraction. People will tell you it's basic, it's required, it's essential. Like, how can you have a product without it? They'll make you feel that if you eliminate this feature, it's like building a house without a door. Ignore these people. They're well intentioned, but ignore them. They're just giving you their opinion. No one knows. They're well intentioned, of course, but they should be ignored. Cut corners. Wait for your users to yell at you. Often they don't, and you have saved a lot of effort.